I cop a new drop in white tee. Ayy, I fuck a new bitch in white tee.
Okay, I copped the whip, then wrapped it with the shiny polish. No bitch a dub, she $20. Absolutely right now, I'm up on the night.
I look so like, I don't know. What's up everybody, and I'm back with another video. Yay. Yeah, as you see, as the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I dyed my, this is a unice wig. I had got it actually off of Amazon instead of unice, but it's a wig. So yeah, I got it off of there basically, and it was black. You can see the back is like a little darker than the front, but it still looked cute to me, you know. It's like a, we're gonna get started in the video, and I will leave this wig down below if I can still find the link to it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll give y'all a close-up look. This is like the wig.